Your body filler just pop off in one giant piece at the car wash? I bet you made one of these 5 fatal mistakes. Mistake number 1. Slapping polyester filler over a glossy finish or sanding marks that are way too fine. Remember this rule. Polyester resin sticks exclusively through mechanical adhesion. Your ideal base is bare metal, sanded with a coarse 80 grit abrasive. If you try to prep the surface with a 320 disc, the material will have absolutely nothing to grab onto. Mistake number 2. Eyeballing the mix. The chemistry requires a strict ratio between 2 and 3% peroxide hardener by weight. Do yourself a favor, buy a digital scale. If you add too much, the excess chemicals will migrate through the primer and literally bleach the pigment in your base coat. Say hello to permanent pink spots on your finished car. Mistake number 3. Working on a dirty surface. Applying filler over dust or oils from your hands is exactly like trying to stick masking tape to sand. Your adhesion will be 0. Use a strict algorithm. Blow off the dust with compressed air and wipe it down with a silicone remover. Mistake number 4. The hurry-up garage method, using a heat gun. If you hit wet filler with hot air, the top layer instantly skins over into a hard crust while the material underneath stays wet and trapped. And mistake number 5, the most expensive one of all, trying to sculpt parts out of universal filler. If you pile it on a centimeter thick, the solvents will cause massive shrinkage and the filler will crack under internal tension. Need to lower volume? Use a spotter to pull deep dent on the metal out first. Filler is only meant for the final leveling. Stop believing garage myths. Work strictly by the book and subscribe to the channel to learn how to paint cars the right way.